Have you ever had that feeling? The one where you're inside, curled up in your favorite spot, but you can't stop looking out the window? You're craving the evening air, the sound of crickets, the scent of jasmine, but you don't want to lose an ounce of that comfort you've built inside your home. What if you didn't have to choose? What if your coziest farmhouse corner didn't end at the back door, but simply continued right on out into the garden? Hello and welcome back. Today, we're talking about the ultimate blend of rustic charm and intentional living, outdoor living rooms. This isn't just about a patio set and a grill. We're architecting genuine, soul-nourishing spaces that extend the heartfelt, cozy ethos of the modern farmhouse aesthetic beyond the walls. We'll break down the key elements, spark some fresh ideas, and show you how to create a seamless flow that makes every season feel like an invitation. Section 1. The mindset shift from patio to porch living room. Let's start with a fundamental mindset shift. Stop calling it a deck, a patio, or a yard. Start calling it what it is, your outdoor living room. This isn't just semantics. It's a design philosophy. When you think room, you immediately consider things like layout, flow, flooring, ceiling, lighting, and furniture that invites you to stay a while. This is the heart of biophilic design, our innate human need to connect with nature, meeting the modern farmhouse crave for authenticity and comfort. The goal is seamless indoor-outdoor flow. The transition should feel natural, not jarring. Think of your back door not as a barrier, but as a wide-open portal connecting two parts of the same home. This is where organic modern touches play so well, using natural materials in clean, intentional ways. Section 2. The architecture of coziness key elements to anchor your space. Now, let's build the bones of your outdoor room. These are the non-negotiables that provide structure and a sense of enclosure. First, the floor and the foundation. Just like inside, the floor sets the stage. For farmhouse warmth, think beyond plain concrete. Textured stone pavers, large format flagstones with moss creeping between them, or even clay tiles for a European country feel. A washed wood deck in a gray or warm natural stain instantly adds rustic texture. The key is to choose a material that feels connected to the earth. Second, the ceiling and shelter. A room needs a sense of overhead shelter. This is where you get creative. A wooden pergola is the quintessential farmhouse hero. It defines the space, filters sunlight, and is the perfect structure to train climbing roses or wisteria. For more coverage, consider a shingled roof extension or a canvas sail shade for a softer, billowing effect. The idea is to create intimacy and protection, making the space feel like a true haven. third, the hearth, the focal point. Nothing, and I mean nothing, extends coziness like an outdoor fireplace or fire pit. A stone-faced fireplace with a chunky wood mantel becomes the heart of the room. A modern fire table offers warmth and a surface for drinks. Or go for the rustic simplicity of a crackling fire pit surrounded by built-in stone seating. This is your year-round enjoyment's secret weapon. It provides light, warmth, and that primal, mesmerizing focal point that draws people together. Section 3. Furnishings and Textiles, where the living happens. This is where the magic of comfort truly unfolds. Forget thin, plastic weave chairs. We're bringing the indoors out. Furniture should be deep-seated, plush, and weather-resilient. Look for all-weather wicker sets with thick cushions in performance fabrics. Don't be afraid to use real wood pieces. A reclaimed wood farmhouse table or a chunky Adirondack chair adds instant soul. The trend towards modular outdoor sofas is huge for 2026, allowing you to configure the space for conversation or relaxation. Create distinct zones: a conversation zone by the fire, a dining zone under the pergola, a reading nook tucked in a garden corner. Now layer in the textiles. This is the ultimate hack for farmhouse coziness. Outdoor rated throw pillows in linen, washed canvas, and ticking stripes. Faux sheepskin rugs or incredibly realistic outdoor woven jute rugs to anchor the seating area. And the piece de resistance, weather-resistant blankets draped over an arm or stored in a rustic basket. These layers add visual weight, texture, and that irresistible invitation to snuggle in. It's the essence of grand millennial style: comfort first, pattern-loving, and deeply nostalgic, meeting the great outdoors. Section 4. Ambience and the final layer: lighting and personality. As the sun sets, your outdoor living room's second act begins. Lighting is everything. Ditch the harsh overhead floodlight. We're crafting a magical ambience. String lights or fairy lights are a forever classic. Drape them in your pergola, weave them through branches. Solar-powered lanterns placed on steps or tables add a gentle, sustainable glow. Flame lighting is irreplaceable. Think candles and hurricane lamps. A row of tiki torches along a path, or of course, your fireplace. For task lighting, a beautiful outdoor pendant over the dining table or wall sconces by the door elevate the architecture. Finally, inject personality and the lived-in feel. This is what makes it yours. A vintage galvanized tin watering can as a vase for cut hydrangeas. A collection of terracotta pots with herbs. An old farmhouse ladder leaned against a wall, hung with blankets. A weatherproof speaker tucked away for a soft music playlist. These are the touches that tell your story and make the space feel not just designed, but truly lived in. Fresh ideas and 2026 trends to consider. Before we wrap, let's look ahead at some fresh ideas blending with current trends. Think about an outdoor curtain system for your pergola. Imagine breezy linen curtains you can draw for privacy or wind protection. Outdoor rugs are evolving. Look for bold, vintage-inspired patterns that hold up to the elements. Consider a dedicated outdoor kitchenette with a rustic bar area, making hosting effortless. And with sustainable design being more important than ever, look into native planting borders around your space to support local ecology and add natural, low-maintenance beauty. Your farmhouse haven doesn't have to stop at the windowsill. Pull that coziness outside and create a room where memories are made under the open sky. A room where you can breathe deeply, connect deeply, and truly live well beyond your walls. If this inspired you, give us a thumbs up. What's the first element you'd add to your outdoor living room? The fireplace, the pergola, or a mountain of pillows? Let us know in the comments below. We read every single one. And don't forget to subscribe for more ideas on living with intention and timeless style. Until next time, find comfort wherever you are.